Hello, I'm going to show you how to work a twisted central double decrease star stitch. So to begin, I'm going to slip one stitch purlwise to my right needle. I'm going to slip a second stitch as if to purl through the back loop. So I'm going to insert the tip of my right needle from left to right into the back loop of the second stitch. Now I'm going to slip the two stitches together purlwise to the left needle, and then slip the two stitches together knitwise back to my right needle. Now I'm going to knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit into this stitch so it stays on the left needle while I do that. Knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, and now I will pull it off the left needle. Now we're going to take these first two stitches that we slipped and we're going to pass them over all 5 of these stitches. This gets a little tight, so you have to be careful not to drop any of those stitches off when you do this.